On the occasion of International Women's Day 2021, a free checkup for women was organized on 8th March 2021 by Woodland Hospital, Shillong. Speaking to Media Plus, Dr. Peter Daniel said that as women neglect their health due to pressure in the home front, this would be an opportunity for womenfolk to come forward and get themselves screened, especially for probable cancers of the breast and cervix, which are the two forms of dreaded cancers amongst women. He also informed that the mammography test available to women can be done only at Woodland Hospital in Shillong and not elsewhere in Meghalaya. He therefore urged upon women to avail this opportunity since it is a one-day program.
As you know, today is the International Women's Day, and women from all over the world, basically, they normally don't take care of their health because, as you can see, women are more concerned with the children, with the family. They take care of the families much more than they take care of themselves. So on this day, Woodland Hospital has taken the opportunity to give the chance to the women of Meghalaya, to take this opportunity so that they can come for a screening for breast cancer and for cervical cancer. These two cancers are the main killers we have noticed and we have seen and we have read in our medical books. They have killed a lot of women because most of these women never come in time and they never get the opportunity to come for screening. Definitely our state is still, we are still reeling on the fact that COVID is still there, it's still present very much. Yes, taking the necessary precautions of whatever the protocol has been set up, but the response has been pretty good, I feel, pretty good.
Okay. And this is particularly only for the women, or it's also meant for children as well?
For patients,
okay.
But it's also almost 54% discount on the investigations. And we are proud to say that mammography, which is not available in any other hospital in Shillong, and for that matter in Meghalaya as such, is available in our hospital. Most of our patients, they normally used to go to Guwahati for this particular investigation, but now at least they have that opportunity to come in our hospital, rather than spending amounts of money to go all the way to Guwahati, they can come here.
The marketing officer of Woodland Hospital, Shillong, Babat Kharshiyeng, while speaking to Media Plus, said that these kind of programs would be organized by the management of the hospital from time to time, and if need be, the free cancer screening program may be extended for the benefit of womenfolk who would like to avail of the service.
The availability of here in this hospital also, we have a pediatric surgeon, and then also we have medical oncologists, and then we have a plastic surgeon and gynecologists. So I request all the public so that if Woodland Hospital is conducting any part of program, to please come forward to the public so that we get a benefit.
Okay. And will this offer be for one day, or it's going to be?
Yeah, for this only one day. We will one day, and we also were trying to extend if this on the demand.
So such programs are there in the in the future you're planning?
Yes.
Definitely. The first thing I want to say to the public is that don't be scared of awareness programs. Come forward. Don't feel that you'll be stigmatized if you ever come for this, because it's for your own good, it's for your health, and as we all know, health is wealth.